Yes, this is my argument that the Greeks, the Italians arrived here in the 1950s and 60s or so, and effectively landed in a British outpost. It could have been Yorkshire, basically, and that's where I came from with Tirang. We ate meat and three vegetables. We watched On the Buses and Steptoe and Son. It could have been Yorkshire, but it was Western Victoria. Along come the Greek and the Italians, and by the 70s and 80s, they had, particularly when they started to have kids, firstly, their aspirationalism. Mum and dad would work one job, two jobs, three jobs in order to succeed and to showcase their prosperity through housing. And there was a social contract with their kids. We will work like hell in order to give you the opportunity. And the kids of that generation understood the social contract. It's my job to make mum and dad proud, to be successful. In terms of intellectual drivers of prosperity and positive attributes for a nation, it doesn't get much better than that. And also, they started to reshape our culture. By about the early 80s, it became fashionable in Melbourne and other major cities and elsewhere to kiss people on the cheek. It was a European affectation that we absorbed, because at the end of the day, we're kind of colonial and we like showing off how sophisticated we are, the kiss each on the cheek, and out with tea, in with coffee, in with arugula, in with olive oil. Our homes started to change. We started to adopt this indoor-outdoor living. So the old 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, the good room at the front, you have the living room at the back, and you take your guests through the house and to showcase how rich you are, your prosperity. You have open doors to the bedrooms with 10 pillows on the bed and whatever, and then you mill around an island bench at the back. I say that all of that is as a consequence of not just greater prosperity, but showcasing it in a very European Mediterranean way, in kissing on the cheek, beverages, in what we ate, how we configured our homes. We have a Mediterranean climate here, not an English climate. And so that should dictate our homes, and our homes then reflect our propensity to absorb and cherry pick bits and pieces from all of these influences that we think deliver a better lifestyle. It all comes back to the Australian aspiration for lifestyle. And that idea of, that house with the outdoor, with the indoor-outdoor deck at the back, or al fresco, I think it's called these days. You could find that house in Glen Waverley in Melbourne. You could find it in the suburbs of Dubbo. All Australians buy into that because we all buy into the use of housing to deliver a better lifestyle for ourselves and our families.